Welcome to Caron Treatment Center's new state-of-the-art medical center. The 40-bed, 100,000 square foot medical center will provide an extensive amount of amenities to complement the world-class clinical care that we will provide. The Keele Center's wellness services will attend to the holistic needs of a patient's overall well-being. By making space for habits and routines that invite serenity and strengthen resilience, we help rebuild a foundation for a healthy life in recovery. Services and amenities that will be available to all patients include a private dining hall with an on-site team of culinary staff, a state-of-the-art fitness center with personal trainers available, an outdoor pool, on-site physical therapy, and opportunities to take part in therapies like acupuncture, massage, reiki and breathwork, meditation, and yoga. And we'll have an on-site salon to attend to personal care needs. Caron, Florida's Keele Center is scheduled to open in early 2023, allowing us to expand Caron's services in Florida.